Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my experience buying something for the first time on Temu. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are kind of on the fence of whether or not Temu is actually legitimate or not. And I can tell you for certain that it is pretty legitimate. I've actually been pretty surprised with how affordable items can be on Temu when compared to Amazon, for example. But with Temu, I usually stick to more simple use case items. So meaning items that, can't really go wrong with. So I wouldn't buy like any electronics. I mean, I'm in the process of actually trying out a thermal printer from Temu, but try to buy simple use case items that you really can't go wrong with, right? So for example, stickers. Like you really can't go wrong with stationery stickers, whether you buy it from Temu at a really, really affordable rate or you buy it from Amazon, right? But usually from Amazon, it is going to be a bit more expensive. But with Temu though, they do offer free shipping. The items are a lot cheaper. The only downside is that it is going to take some time to deliver the item to you. So it takes around, I'd say 7 to 10 business days for them to actually deliver an order to you. Sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's slower, but Temu has a really good return policy as well, where they have free shipping as noted here. They do a price adjustment as well, which means that if the price changes, you can adjust the price if you order the item after the change. There's delivery guarantees, there's free returns as well. But Temu has been absolutely fantastic as far as ordering items from here goes. But hopefully this answers your question, guys. And if you have any questions at all about Temu, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be more than happy to answer.